Ever wondered how easy it is to turn cucumbers into pickles? Here's what I like to do for mine. We begin with our pickling liquid. I'm making a double batch here, recipes in the description. I'm starting with white vinegar and then adding an equal amount of water. Next, we add our salt. I'm doing a 5% salt ratio for this pickling liquid. Some people like to add sugar. I am not one of those people. You can get creative here for the spices. I have some peppercorn, coriander seeds, and some red pepper flake for spice. Bring this all to a boil. Once boiling, set up your pickle jar. I'm adding garlic, dill, and obviously the sliced cucumbers. Pour the pickling liquid over the cucumbers so that they're submerged. I usually use paper towels to ensure they stay that way. Let the jars cool before capping and tossing in the fridge. After a couple weeks, these bad boys will be ready to go. Once these were ready, their first usage was for a buffalo chicken sandwich. Unsurprisingly, this was as delightful as you think it was. Try some homemade pickles yourself. Enjoy!